Welcome back to the channel The Income Code. Let's start with the hard truth that traditional financial institutions in America desperately do not want you to realize. Holding your wealth in a standard retail savings account is a guaranteed way to lose your money. Every year, millions of hard-working Americans deposit their paycheck into traditional banks, thinking they are being responsible. But while the bank offers you a fraction of a percent in return, the actual rate of inflation is eroding your real purchasing power by 3, 4, or even 5% a year. You are essentially paying the bank to watch your wealth shrink. But it gets worse. Have you ever wondered what the bank actually does with your deposits? Under the fractional reserve banking system, they use your capital to fund heavily leveraged corporate debt and commercial real estate loans. They take all the upside, hand you all the hidden risk, and leave you with 0.01% to grow real wealth. You need your capital tied directly to real productive assets. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are mapping out the exact step by step framework to transition your liquid cash away from debt based banking system and into direct equity based capital deployment. To understand why this builds wealth faster, we have to look at the fundamental difference between equity and debt. Debt is a paper promise wrapped in interest, carrying massive risk if the borrower defaults. Equity, on the other hand, means actual ownership. When you own equity, you own a piece of company's machinery, intellectual property, inventory, and future cash flows. Think about the biggest wealth creators in American history. They didn't get rich by hoarding cash in a vault. They got rich by owning productive assets that solve by routing your capital through major highly secure US brokerages like Vanguard or Fidelity. You can instantly buy into diversified pools of these productive assets, ensuring your net worth expands as actual economy expands. Step 1. Reallocate into financial sectors. ETFs. Most broad market index funds are heavily weighted with banking, insurance, and predatory lending institutions to keep your wealth completely clean, highly ethical, and tied purely to production. Look into sector specific exchange traded funds that focus entirely on technology, innovation, advanced healthcare, and manufacturing. Step 2. Establish your liquid cash alternatives. Obviously, you cannot put 100% of your money into volatile stock market equities. You need short term cash available for emergencies, but instead of letting it sit in a checking account, making the bank rich, look into precious metal backed funds or short term asset backed securities. These vehicles allow you to keep your capital highly liquid while protecting your savings from systematic banking shocks. Step 3. Optimize your tax vehicles. Building wealth in America is only half of the battle. Keeping it from the IRS is other half. By setting up a self-directed Roth IRA or utilizing a specialized 400,000, your asset appreciation grows completely tax-free, maximizing your compound efficiency to its absolute limit. Let's look at the historical data. Over any rolling 10 to 20-year window in modern US history, a portfolio that anchored entirely to productive corporate equity and real commodities has thoroughly traditional cash savings. While cash saving lost over 40% of its real value due to inflation over the last 2 decades, a properly allocated asset backed portfolio multiplied in real terms. Choosing this path means you stop participating in a broken debt system and start taking economic engine start taking true equity ownership in the economic engine of the country. Taking control of your finance requires shifting your perspective away from the old broken models and embracing clean asset backed wealth creation for absolute long term freedom. Every single week on this channel, we drop deeply detailed data driven framework just like this to help you master the modern American financial landscape. If you want the exact step by step screening criteria to filter your brokerage accounts and find the top debt free equity funds dominating the US market this year, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications. In our very but maximizing tax vehicle is only the half of the equation. The true secret of high net worth individuals in the US isn't just tax avoidance, it is categorized liquidity. When you keep cash in a traditional bank, inflation destroys it. But when you hold your capital in highly liquid, productive equities or short term asset backed securities, you unlock a powerful wealth building mechanism. Asset backed lending lines. The ultra wealthy do not liquidate their portfolio to buy real estate or fund lifestyle expenses. They borrow against their productive assets at low interest rates. This creates a closed loop financial system. Your core capital remains untouched, continuously compounding tax free in the open market. While you use the bank's own leverage rules against them, you essentially become your own bank, turning volatile market position into a highly stable private credit facility. By shifting your mindset from a depositor to an asset manager, you can change the rules of the game entirely. You stop playing defense against inflation, start playing offense with direct capital ownership.